Everyone, we have back in focus today. We'll be doing back workouts at home without using any gym equipments, but this time we will be using a towel and a bar or anything you can hang on for pull ups. So, we'll be starting with general warm up, that is, this time it will be static running for 1 minute. So back is the very important body part for both men and women. We need to have a strong back to have flat abs or good core or any other good body part, because any exercise you do has a lot of emphasis on your back. So back is very important. We should not miss a back day. It can be done in 3 easy steps. Grab a bar to hang on, bend your knees as you can see, and just try to get your elbows towards your ribs. For the first time it would be difficult, but try to hang on and count. बस थोड़ी देर लटकना है और काउंट करो 100 तक, and repeat it for 5-6 times. In 1 to 3 days you will be able to do your first pull up. For the next set of exercises we will be using a towel. Just roll a towel and hold it tight. Bend your knees a bit, back straight, heels on ground, and lean towards the ground. Now hold the towel tight and just row slowly. Yes. Keeping your back straight. The next exercise is lying lats pull. For that, we have to just lie down on your abdomen, keep the back straight and towel tight. Just do a pull towards your chest and repeat. For reverse lying pull, we need to follow the same posture, but this time the palm of your hand should face upwards. The next exercise is Superman. For Superman, the same posture, but this time try to lift your legs and chest together to make a Superman pose and relax. The next exercise is hyperextension. Again, lying on your abdomen, keeping your hands parallel to the chest, keeping back straight. Try to stretch your back with support of your arms. The next exercise is reverse snow angel. Again, lying on the abdomen, keep your chest pumped, back straight, chin high. Just move your arms in a snow angel motion as depicted. Then in the end, a bit of stretching and muscle relaxation. You can do this relaxation of muscles after every exercise. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon.